everybody, and welcome to a new video. I just came back from the hairdresser and I really thought, oh my god, now that my hair is all pretty again, I really need to film a new video for you since I haven't uploaded a new one in such a long time. I actually bought quite a few stuff in the summer sale, actually a lot of them that I haven't even unboxed, as a few Zimmerman dresses. So I thought now is the perfect time to finally unbox everything, and what better way to film it. So let's get going with this unboxing. I'm super excited. And I actually got two Zimmerman dresses. The first one is in here. I really don't want to wait too long. So let's see which one is inside here. I actually bought these in the private sale from Zimmermann. So these probably have been laying around the house for like a week or so. But I really didn't feel my best. I was actually sick, so I haven't unboxed them yet. So now, perfect timing. And the first dress is this gorgeous blue one. Oh my gosh, guys, the color is amazing. Let me just put the box aside so I can actually show you the dress. So I got this classy blue dress. I actually used to have this exact dress in another color, which is more on the green side, and I actually recently sold it, so I'm really excited about this one. I actually picked it up in one size larger because I thought that the other dress was a tad bit short, and I actually noticed that just by picking up the size 1 instead of size 0, they are actually like 5 centimeters longer or something like that. I don't know if I remember the centimeters correctly, but definitely longer, and definitely like the length that I need, as I'm 175 centimeters tall, which is 5'9". So as I said, I picked this gorgeous color. And you guys, I'm obsessed with the color. Look at this beautiful, vibrant blue color. It is so stunning. And this is actually one of the most amazing Zimmerman dresses that you can pick up. They always do these year after year, just different colors. So as I'm so much into blue, I thought this is the perfect choice. And I think this looks so nice, and I really can't wait to wear it. It's just like the perfect dress to wear for an evening, but you can really style it up for the daytime as well. So you really can't go wrong with it. And I think this color just really suits my style. When it comes to the price, let me see if I have the receipts in here, but I think I got like 30 to 40% off. I don't know if it's in here. No, it doesn't say it. But the dress normally retails for, I think it says here, yeah, it's 675 euros, and I think I got 30 or 40% off. I think 30, which is actually quite good for such a classic and beautiful dress. So I'm really happy with this purchase. On to the next Zimmerman dress. I actually have kind of a theme in this haul, and you will see very soon. I got a ton of blue items. Here is the second dress that I got. Oh, this is so cute as well. So here is the other dress that I got, which is this white dress, and it has like this palm tree print all over. Isn't this so cute? Can you guys see it? I really like this print so much. Again, I picked this size in size 1, and I actually used to buy all the Zimmerman dresses in size 0, and I do think size 0 probably fit-wise around the waist is better, but the length, as I told you on the blue one, is just better on a size 1 just because it adds so many centimeters to it. I really like this dress, and I can't wait to see how it actually looks on me. I think the palm trees as well as like the florals all over look so cute and really just summery. So I'm really happy about this purchase. Again, I don't know the price in my mind, but it says here it's 695, and again I got like 30% off, which is actually quite a good deal for Zimmermann. A few years ago, you really could get so many great deals on Zimmerman dresses, but now they only have like private sales for the first few weeks, then they have the open sale, which not a lot of pieces are left that are really good. So I actually think to get 30% off Zimmerman is a great deal, and I do really like this dress as well. Let's continue with my Teresa. I got a really classy dress, which I think will be quite versatile and easy to style. And it's actually from a brand that I have never purchased before from, but I always admired it, and I actually think if I like the quality, I'm gonna get a lot more. I got a dress from Norma Kamali. It's actually a swimwear brand, but she also does like dresses and skirts, and they all have the same style. They are all like ruched. So I got this one, and it's actually a one shoulder dress, and it is actually cut like this, so it's longer on one side, and I just completely fell in love with the color. Here you can see the color up close. Isn't this color so gorgeous? I think this will look so nice and so easy to style. I love the fabric actually, you guys. It's so soft. And price-wise, this was under 200 euros, which is actually quite nice for a designer dress. And I picked it up in size extra small, which is size 34. And the color is actually called soft blue. I really wish that you could feel this, guys. I think this dress is just such a figure-hugging dress. They actually make this in a short version, in the midi version that I got. I think they even have a long version. She also does tops like this, and also the swimwear is really from the vibe like this. So actually I'm really impressed by the quality. I can't wait to see how this actually looks on me. But color wise, I'm just obsessed with this, you guys. And now we have 3 things left, and they are all by the same brand, which is actually Lacoste. I really wasn't into this brand for quite a few years, but lately I am obsessed. I love the sportiness of it, and I think the quality is actually really good, so I picked up a few things in the sale. First up is this gorgeous blue skirt, and it's like a sportier skirt, and I think the color is just perfect. I love the little crocodile logo here. It's just really subtle. And underneath, this actually has pants, so it doesn't really matter that it's on the shorter side, because even if you wear it to like tennis, you have the pants underneath and you can't see anything. And it even has like pockets in the back you can actually zip up, and also pockets here in the front, and I am just really impressed by the quality. I got it in size 34, and this was such a steal. It was 46 euros. Can you believe it? The normal retail price is 115, and I got it for 46 euros, so I think that is such a good deal. And I already know that I'm gonna get so much wear out of this skirt. And because I just thought I need the entire matching outfit, I also got a top from Lacoste. And I actually think this top is quite versatile. I won't be wearing it solely with the skirt. I think this also will look really great just with jeans. And it's this white knit top, and it has like the dark blue lining on the top as well as on the sleeves, and in the back it's really simple. And I actually love that this one just has the white crocodile logo. I think that makes it really chic, and I think it's just such a good match. And I got it again in size, oh no, this one I got in size 36. I think they didn't have the size 34, but I think it looks really good in size 36 as well. And instead of 95 euros, I paid 40, which I also think is such a good deal. But the best deal that I made is I even got matching shoes to this sporty look. And you guys, I'm obsessed with these. I actually already have these in pink, and I have worn them quite a few times already. I love them. And I found them in blue. Look at these. Aren't these so cute? I love these so much. I love the little crocodile on here and the gray detailing with the blue finish. I think it is so cute and so perfect to this outfit. But even if I'm not wearing it with this outfit, I think these look really nice to just regular gym clothing, leggings, but also just to jeans. I think these look really cute, and they are actually so comfortable. I got them in size 37, which is my normal size. So if you're interested in these, definitely pick up your true size, because size 37 is my true size. And price-wise, guys, these normally retail for 120 euro, which is already quite okay, I think. But I got it for 42 euros. Isn't this such an amazing deal for shoes? They were even cheaper than the skirt. So I think Lacoste really sparked something in me. Again, I said I have these in pink already, the shoes. And I think for gym clothing and just like leisure wear that you wanna wear like daily, they have such a good quality. So if you are like me and you really scrapped Lacoste off for a few years ago, just try it again. Have a look at the clothing. I really enjoy them, and you might as well. That is gonna be it for this haul, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing what I got, and hopefully it gave you an inspo as well. I'm off to a few travels in the next weeks, and I'm definitely gonna bring all this stuff for them. I'm really excited, and I really hope that I can manage to film more in the next few weeks, and hopefully we'll see each other soon. Bye!